The biggest mistake of this 21st century is man, he wants to be a desirable person all the times, at all the places, to all the people. That is called commodity living. That is not human living. Are you a commodity that you want to be desirable at all the times? To become desirable at all the times, at all the places, to all the people, you compromise with ideals, you compromise with disciplines and norms, and you compromise with righteousness. Yes or no? This is a mistake. A serious error in life. You are you. You are fine with yourself. You are not offending anybody. You are good with people. Fine, live your life. Go for qualities in life. Quantity will fill you. It doesn't have the power to fulfill you. But we have given too much amount of power to money and fame to rule our lives. And we have rested our life decisions on money. This is too much given to money. It doesn't deserve this much. This is too much given to money. Too much amount of power we have given to money in our lives, which actually does not deserve. You hear the top 10 management gurus of the world, from Ken Blanchard to Og Mandino to Jim Collins to Stephen Covey to Anthony Robbins to Shiv Khera. They are teaching top class executives: scale down, come back, withdraw, introspect, don't keep running. In the 100 meters hurdles where Carl Lewis or Ben Johnson runs or Maurice Green runs, it's how fast you run. In the run of life, it's not how fast, how steady you run. Running fast is quantity. Running steady is quality. Quality fulfills your life. Because if you stumble there, you will just lose a gold medal. If you stumble here, you will lose a life. Concentrate and focus more on qualities of life. As a human being, what is expected of me from the great seers and seekers of India, from the scriptures, from the life of great personalities? What is expected of me by my family members, by the society, by colleagues at workplaces? You want to identify yourself more as a professional. I did this, and this. We are concentrating less on identifying ourselves more as a human beings. I am this, and this. I did is quantity. I am is quality. We want more lists of I did. Isn't it? We want a longer list of I did. Make a longer list of I am. That is quality. And I am list has the power to generate thousands of I did lists. The I am list has the power to generate thousands of I did lists for you. So the first important aspect of quantity fills and quality fulfills is your free life, your entertainment life, your club life is necessary for you, but it is absolutely dependent upon your disciplines and righteousness at your bonded world, that is your house and your office. The moment you lose there, you will lose here also. Because the moment you lose there, people here will start keeping distances with you, even in your free world. The best of the friends who are putting their hands around your shoulders, the moment you go into carefree life in your bonded world, your friends in the carefree world will also start keeping distances from you. Recently, the gentleman, when the Indian cricket team was in England, perhaps in Birmingham somewhere, the man of the skies, he tried to visit the party, and all the 11 players started keeping distance with him. You might have read in the newspapers. So case study number 1 is righteousness and discipline in your bonded world. That is quality life. With that, with roots firm, with foundations strong, fly with all your energies to the destinations you want. That is, expand your business to the levels that you want, but your roots deep into ground and foundations strong into ground. That is qualities of life. So you never lose out.